Hi everybody, and welcome back to another one of Matis's before and after tutorials. Today's tutorial is all about exfoliation and masking. So let's have a look how we can improve and accentuate the effectiveness of our in-salon treatments by incorporating and having a good home care skin routine. Shortly, you will see how I have accentuated point number 2 and 3 in before and after images of doing an exfoliation and a mask. This before image of the skin on the forehead is dull, grey, uneven, patchy, and has enlarged pore sizes. So Face Renew 100 to the rescue. 2.5 ml scrub for 5 minutes, remove with Matis's konjac sponge. And voila! During your application, you will see the skin becomes red, warm, cleaner, radiant, and stimulated. Follow your exfoliation with the Hyaluronic Performance Mask. 5 ml for 10 to 15 minutes and remove with water once you're done. Have a look at your after results. Even, healthy, radiant, glowing looking skin that is hydrated with new cells visible. We thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.